Hello, my name is Gage Griffith. I am a student at Aurora Middle School, and today I'll be showing you hands-on equations. So our first problem is going to be the opposite of 3x plus 2 equals negative 10 plus x. So before we start, this equals x, and then this equals the opposite of x. So in order to get rid of our negative 10 here, we're going to have to add a positive 10 to each side. So we're going to add positive 10 and a positive 10. So this cancels each other's out, and this equals 12. So now we got the opposite of 3x plus 12 equals x. So now we need to get rid of opposite of 3x. So what we need to do is add 3x to each side. So 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. So now we can start taking away pairs of zeros. 1, 2, 3. So now we have 4x equals 12. So now we're going to solve x. So now what we want to do is divide by 4 since we got 4x. So 4 divided by 4 equals 1. And then 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So in the end, x equals 3. So our next problem I'm going to show you is 5 plus x plus the opposite of 3x equals 3x plus the opposite of 2x plus negative 1. So let's make this easier and get rid of the positive 5. So in order to do that, we're going to add a negative 5 to each side of the scale. Let me find it. There it is. So together this equals 0. So you move that out of the way, and this equals negative 6. So now what we can do to each side of the scale is get rid of our pairs of zeros. So together this equals a pair of 0, this equals a pair of 0, and this equals a pair of 0. So now what we want to do is get rid of this x here. In order to do that, we're going to have to add a negative, the opposite of x to each side. So, and then this equals a pair of 0. So now what we have is the opposite of 3x equals negative 6. So now I'm going to tell you what x equals. So if we take the opposite of 3x divided by 3, it's going to equal a positive x. So just x. And if we do the same thing over here, it's going to be divided by negative 3. So negative 6 divided by negative 3 is going to be a good day. So it's going to equal positive 2. So in the end, it's x equals positive 2. Thanks for watching.